Good day, McVeigh, and happy Tuesday. Good morning, boys and girls. So I'm going to begin with a project from Udita, who has created the life cycle of a tomato. So we start with the seed, and then it becomes a plant, and then here are the tomatoes in their varying states. So you have a very tiny one, it's immature, it begins to mature, and then we have a mature tomato plant. And this one is on the other end. It's starting to decompose. So it wasn't used. Now it's starting to decompose. And that's really the life cycle of everything. It starts, it grows, it gets to its adult or mature state, and then it decomposes. Awesome work. I love the way that you secure these to the paper as well. Then we have a very cool project about a mathematician, Brahmagupta, and this is by Victoria Liu. We all know about the number 0. We talk about it, it's on our show. Well, Brahmagupta is actually the mathematician from a long, long time ago who identified 0 as an important integer in numbers. An integer is that placeholder. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, in between 1 and -1, which you'll learn about someday, is 0. And that is one of the things that Brahmagupta is famous for and gave to modern math. He was born a long, long time ago, very, very, very long ago, 598. So we're in 2025. We're talking about many, many, many thousands of years we're talking about in this way. And he was also extremely important in geometry and figuring out the area of shapes inside shapes. And so one day you'll be figuring those things out too. All right. Now, moving on to getting smart through art. Oh, before I get there, speaking of math, this is all about math by Julia. And hold on. I'm sorry, this is Juliana. Yeah, I had to use my magnifier to see this. This is all about math. These are multiplication facts drawn in arrays with groups and the number in each group. So this is 12 times 5. So we have 12 groups with 5. Let's see. 15 times 7. So we have 15 groups of 7. Let's see. Find another one. Oops. Oh, 15 times 15. So 15 groups, and I don't know if you can see that inside each group, there's a 15. That's how we do it. All right. Now, moving on to getting smart through art. We have Ella, who made some beautiful things out of Post-it notes. We have a butterfly, a flower, and a fan, and also a super cool little pillow for the butterfly. And then Violet made a wonderful water park scene. So you have the slide into the water park, into the pool, I'm sorry. You have the lazy river. The wave pool is over here. And another cool, fun pool experience. Excellent use of the paper to create the height for the slide. And then we have some 3D shapes by Arifpreet. A nice Halloween scene. I don't know who this is from because there is no name. So, not sure who submitted that. And Noreen in grade 3, look at this beautiful picture of McVeigh. Love that. Speaking of which, did you get outside and take a look at the new addition to our school in the front? Super cool. All right, moving on to our mystery number Wordle. I got one guess, close. I think it was from Dominic in room 214. Dominic, you had the correct prefix, but here's a clue for today. The prefix and the suffix are different. However, they do have the same vowel in them. The consonants are different. Okay, so here's my clue for today. This vowel is the same as this one. We should be able to figure that out right now. And this is the most common consonant. All right. Now, again, there's a word in there that is can be a word all on its own, and it may have something to do when it's used by itself with math. Now it's time for a mystery number. Here we go. All right, 2 digits. They're both odd. We know that. The odd number in the tens place is a homonym. And now it's time for a mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get a drum roll. So we have 2 to share because this is the back of our plate. This one says, "Be mighty kind," and this is from Sarah. Be kind. And I love McVeigh. I love McVeigh too. So that's why we do this every day. And yes, be kind is what we do. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.